Listen, tribe. Gurucha tells strange story of modern world fire and money.
Every year, Tribe in America open mail. See bill for internet, price higher, $10 more, $20 more. But speed, still slow like sleepy mammoth. Tribe angry pound chest, but still. Tribe pay, why? Because no other choice. Only one company sell fire of internet in that area. That tribe is monopoly, one seller, no rival. He hold all power. Now walk down street, smell fry oil, melted cheese, burger fight begins. McDonald's shout, come here, Big Mac only $2 today. Burger King yell back, Whopper Wednesday half price. Wendy's jump in, spicy nuggets free with meal. Tribe laugh, tribe eat cheap. This tribe is competition. Many sellers fight for tribe love. Price go down, food get better, tribe happy. To question burn in fire. Why some companies like internet can raise price again and again, while burger shops must beg for tribe to stay. Why cable bill climb like monkey on tree, while burgers crawl on ground for attention. That is heart of today's wisdom. Monopoly versus competition. Two forces that shape how much money leave your pocket, how much choice tribe really have. Gurucha breaks story now. Show how battle of one versus many decide fate of every wallet. Why this matters to every wallet. So what? That just business? No, this not just business. This is war for your money, your choice, your future. When monopoly win, tribes suffer. Prices climb high like eagle in sky. Service drop low like worm in dirt. No reason to improve. No reason to listen. Tribe trapped. Forced to pay more, get less. But when competition's strong, tribe feast. Prices fall, quality rise. New ideas come like rain after drought. Sellers fight for tribe respect. They cook better, serve faster, smile wider, because if not, tribe walk away. Numbers tell big truth. In 2019, American households pay extra $60 billion because of monopoly power. That enough to buy every family in America a mountain of burgers for 1 year. Or send every kid to college with less debt, but instead, money flow to giant companies who face no rivals. Think about milk. In one city, gallon costs $7 and another only $3. Same cow, same milk, different price. Why? Because in one place, only one seller controls supply. In other place, many farmers sell. Ape each other honest, this not small detail tribe. It decide if family have full fridge or empty stomach. It decide if workers have chance to build dream or stay stuck paying bills forever. Monopoly and competition. This fight live inside every grocery store, every gas pump, every bill you open. What exactly is monopoly versus competition? The tribe already feel pain in wallet. Now Gurucha explain clear, simple. Monopoly mean only one seller, one chief control all fire. He build tall walls so no new seller can enter village. No rival, no fear. He raise price high, tribe cannot run. Example, only one internet provider in neighborhood, slow service, high bill, still must pay. Competition mean many sellers, no wall, many stands open. Each seller must fight for tribe love. Price lower, quality higher, smiles bigger. If one seller cheat, tribe walk away to next hut. Example, burger chains on same street. They fight with coupons, bigger fries, new flavors. Tribe benefit them. Picture hot summer day, only one lemonade stand. Cup costs $10. Tribe thirsty, still pay that monopoly. But if 5 kids sell lemonade on same block, price drop to 50 cents. One even add free ice cube. Tribe laugh, drink more happy. That competition, so difference is clear. Monopoly trap tribe in cage. Competition give tribe freedom to choose. Oh, without this knowledge, tribe just complain about bills, but with knowledge, tribe see pattern why some markets squeeze like snake. Why others give like river, tribe think monopoly, just modern problem. Now it old battle, older than wrinkles on eldest face. Long ago, one man named John D. Rockefeller built giant fire called Standard Oil. He control almost all oil in America. More than 90% want lamp to shine at night. Pay Rockefeller price. No rival, no mercy, that pure monopoly. Tribe call him richest man on earth. But whole nation burn with anger. Then came AT&T, the phone giant, in 1970s. If tribe want call grandma in another state, No choice, only my bell control line. Price high, service slow. Tribe pay anyway, monopoly again later. In 1990s, computer age arrive. One company, Microsoft, hold power, every machine boot up with Windows. Like it or not, Tribe must use competitors. Pushed aside, trapped in dark cave, ugh. But Tribe not always weak. Government bring out sharp spear, called Sherman Antitrust Act in 1890. Law to break monopoly apart, to free market again. They split Standard Oil into many smaller fires. They force AT&T to break apart, so new phone companies could rise. Even Microsoft had to change way. Lesson from history. When one seller grow too fat, eat too much, Tribe suffer. But when Tribe fight back with law and courage, balance return, competition breathe again, and new ideas sprout like seeds in spring. Not all markets trap Tribe. Some markets like battlefield sellers fight hard. Tribe sit back and enjoy feast. Look at Burger Wars. McDonald's roar Big Mac only $2 today. Burger King shout back, Whopper Wednesday half price. Wendy's yell, spicy nuggets free with combo. Tribe walk by, smell meat, smile wide. Competition force each seller to invent deal. Lower price, improved taste, Tribe win. Oh, look at gas stations. 2 pumps stand across street. One say 3.59, others say 3.58. Tribe driving cars see 1 penny cheaper. Swing wheel fast. Competition so fierce even 1 cent matter. Sellers know if they don't match, they lose Tribe. Same with smartphones. Apple and Samsung fight like 2 mammoths crashing heads. Every year, new model, bigger screen, better camera, faster chip if no competition. Tribe still carry Nokia brick phone. No internet, no apps, just beep beep. Competition look messy, but this mess give Tribe lower price. Better service, more choice. Sellers scratch, claw, scream, but Tribe laugh, pay less, live better. That is beauty of competition. Sellers bleed so Tribe can feast. Competition looks strong, but sometimes it does not last. What begins as a fight between many sellers can slowly shrink until only a few giants remain. Then Tribe lose choice all over again. Take the airlines long ago, America had many carriers. Now, just 4 big ones control more than 80% of flights. Prices go up, seats get smaller, and service. Tribe know the pain, long lines, cramped knees, extra fees for bags. Yet, you still have to fly or the internet and cable story. Big companies don't always compete head-to-head. Instead, they carve the map like tribal chiefs dividing territory. Comcast here, Spectrum there. Ever notice how you rarely see both in the same city? That's no accident, and of course big tech. Amazon swallows online shopping. Google swallows search. Facebook swallows social life. They grow so large that rivals struggle to survive. Tribe return to same trap. Fewer choices, higher prices, less freedom, so the circle turns. Competition begins with fire and fight. But if no one watch, the strongest eat the weak, until only 1 or 2 remain, and once again Tribe pay the price. The real cost of monopoly, when one seller grows too strong. Tribe pay more than just money. Real cost runs deeper. Look at insulin. Only 3 companies control almost all supply in America. Over 20 years, price rose more than 600%. Families with diabetes forced to choose medicine or rent, medicine or food. It's not just unfair, it can cost lives. Or think about airlines with fewer choices. Service gets worse, while tickets grow more expensive. Seats shrink, fees multiply, and yet planes stay full. Why? Because Tribe has nowhere else to go. Monopoly chains you to one option, and you pay whatever they demand. But monopoly takes more than dollars and comfort. It kills innovation. When no rival challenges the giant, progress slows. Why create new ideas if no competitor forces you? Without competition, Tribe would still be stuck in the stone age of tech. No smartphones, no streaming, no fast delivery. So here is the truth. Monopoly drains wallets, crushes choices, and steals the future. It's not only about paying higher bills, it's about losing the freedom to decide, losing the spark that pushes society forward. That is the heaviest cost of all. Why competition still matters. Now Tribe know, monopoly dangerous beast, but fight not hopeless. History show Tribe can push back, keep competition alive, when government swung the axe with antitrust laws, giants had to break apart. Standard Oil split into many smaller fires, and suddenly fuel got cheaper. Cars spread, new companies grew, AT&T broke into pieces, and new phone companies brought lower prices and fresh ideas. Even mighty Microsoft had to open door for rivals, and that opened way for the internet we know today. But law is not the only weapon. Tribe can fight too. Every time you buy from a local business, you keep competition alive. Every time you try a new brand instead of the same giant, you tell market, Tribe wants choice. Small decisions, but together they matter. And don't forget, competition isn't just about lower price. It's about freedom, freedom to choose, freedom to walk away, freedom to demand better without it. One company owns your wallet, your time, your future. With it, Tribe stand tall, make real choices, and watch new ideas rise. So remember this, competition is not messy fight to avoid. It is the fight that keeps Tribe free. That's all for today, Fire Friend. Gurucha vanish now.